Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a flourless, not even coconut flour or almond flour, a flourless double chocolate chip cookie. They've turned out so yummalicious and I think this is going to be your go-to cookie for life. So I have it right here and let me show you what it looks like in my little cookie box. And here we have it. Just look at that. Absolutely yummy. Look at that. Soft and chewy from the inside and crisp from the outside. Here's my taste test. Okay. Let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with this amazing recipe. We begin with half a cup of almond butter. I'm not using normal butter. It comes out really, there's something different about almond butter. Next, we have half a cup of a sweetener of your choice, 1 teaspoon of xantham gum, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and this is an important recipe ingredient, 1 tablespoon of gelatin. If you don't want to use gelatin, you can use either agar-agar or guar gum powder. Give it all a good mix in your mixing bowl. Now we have 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. This time I'm not used the dark one, just the normal one. You can use either of the two. Give it again a good mix in your mixing bowl, and now it's time to crack 1 egg. Again, we mix, and you'll slowly see that it's a lovely gooey kind of mixture. And 1 tablespoon of sour cream. This is my homemade sour cream, that's why it's in a bowl. And then we put in 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. And can you see how beautifully it's come into a dough? Now I've taken a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and I'm going to place all these on it. Also, I want to add that you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I didn't use it, but you feel free to do so. So now that it's on the parchment paper, I'm just lightly forming it into cookies. These will spread, but so keep a little space between them. And now it's ready to go into the refrigerator for half an hour, and then the oven. Here they are out of the oven. I baked them at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, and keep them overnight and they'll turn out absolutely perfect. Enjoy them. Bye then.